45 seconds of real talk and practical wisdom from rebuilding life from the inside out. Welcome to the Rebuild Bites. Day 288 after leaving corporate. Here's what nobody warns you about. Losing your job title is easy. Losing your whole identity, that nearly broke me. For 15 years, I was the manager, the expert, the go-to. Then silence. No emails, no meetings, no validation, like stepping off a treadmill that never stops, only to realize I'd forgotten how to walk on my own. Here's the reality. 73% of professionals leaving corporate after 40 face role exit syndrome. Your worth gets tied to what you did, not who you are. But this isn't breakdown, it's breakthrough. What helped me? Every morning, I write down one thing about myself that has nothing to do with work, like I'm curious or I make a killer lasagna. Simple, but it rewires your brain to recognize your real worth. Every rebuild starts from the inside out. You're not falling apart, you're falling into alignment. Let's rebuild with accountability.